Good evening, Professor Collar. This is Art Tyson. I'm writing this or shooting this very quick video to show you an issue that I'm having currently with Matlab. I am looking at right now my finished M file for the project. This includes all of my setup for the full system model and also for the linearized model and for the observer and for all of the different parts. I put it all into one M file. At some point, I'm not sure how, I don't know what happened, but I'm no longer able to run any file that contains a function on Matlab. I tried it from my computer that I have here after I went in and remade all of my Matlab and Simulink models, and when I click run, I get this error here that says that it's on line 15, which is the first line where I call out the X state. Now, if I remove that state and try to put a different one in its place, whatever the first state I try to name is, it gives me this error in this line. Now, I thought originally that this was because of somehow some type of user error or syntax issue. Unfortunately, it's not. I downloaded the example problem that you gave us and made no alterations to it whatsoever, none. So when I open up this file that you sent us, which is RHS from the example that you worked out in class, I have made no alterations to this at all. None. I haven't changed anything, no extra spaces, nothing. When I go to run this, I end up getting the same identical error. The first line where a state's being called out, which in the case of your example is line number 5, I'm getting the same error. Originally, I had no issues with the model. I don't understand how this happened, but I tried everything I could think of, Googled the issue. I have not been able to find anything that would help me resolve this. So for the beginning of the project, I did test everything in my model, and up to the point where before I added in the reference value, my model seemed to be working correctly. I continued to work on the project, did all the steps, worked all the way through everything that did not require a function. So basically everything except for, running the Simulink model. And that portion of it is complete. But anything that required me using the full state that calls this function, I was not able to do.